Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss fundamental operations part 3 exercise 14C. So here we are going to discuss about the algebraic multiplication. So always remember when a positive sign is multiplied with a negative sign, this dot implies the multiplication. Then the result is always negative. When the two positive signs multiplied with each other, then the sign should be positive. When the two negative signs multiplied with each other, then the sign should be positive. So, two positive signs multiplied with each other, the result is positive. One positive and one negative sign multiplied with each other, the sign is negative. And the two negative signs when are multiplied with each other, the sign should be positive. So, let us discuss exercise 14C, question number 1, Roman 2. Multiply minus A by 2B. Now 2B, before 2B the no sign is there, that means you have to consider it is a positive sign. So minus and plus, the sign should be negative. Now 2 into A into B, the result is minus 2AB. 1 Roman 3. Multiplication minus 2m by minus 3n. So two negative signs are multiplied with each other. So the sign should be positive. So if you do not give the positive sign, it implies that the sign is positive. So 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, m into n, mn. So plus 6mn, here it is the result. Consider Roman 5. 5 a to the power 3 b multiplied by 3a b square or b to the power 2. So two positive signs are multiplied with each other, so the resultant sign will be positive. Now arrange the like term. 5 into 3 into a to the power 3 into a and b into b to the power 2. Okay. Now 5 into 3, the result is 15. Now here a to the power 3 into a. So what should be the multiplication product? The rule is, if you multiply a to the power m with a to the power n, here a is termed as the base. So whenever you are going, when the base is same but the power is different or same, then what is the rule? You have to add the power. A to the power m into a to the power n, it results a to the power m plus n. For example, 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 3. Consider 5 as a base and 2 and 3, these are the power. So 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 3. So 5 is the base and you have to add the power. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5. So the result is 5 to the power 5. Always remember that if the base is different, now always remember that if the base is different, then the power should not be added. I am giving you one example. Say a to the power 2 into b to the power 3. Now here the power is different. The base is different. So you cannot add the power since the base is different. So the product is a to the power 2, b to the power 3. Okay. Now we are applying this method only a to the power 3 into a. So consider here the power is 1. So a to the power 3 into a to the power 1. So a to the power 3 plus 1 into b. Consider b means b to the power 1. Here the base is same. So b to the power 1 into b to the power 2. So b to the power 1 plus 2. So 15 a to the power 4 b to the power 3. Here it is the result. Okay, let me discuss another one. Say question number Roman 7 minus 5 x to the power 4 multiplied by 18 x to the power 6. Okay, so here minus and plus multiplied with each other, so the resultant sign will be minus. Now 5 into 18 into x to the power 4 into x to the power 6. Now 5 18s are 90 into x to the power 4. Here you see the base is same. So you should add the power x to the power 4 plus 6. So minus 90 into x to the power 10. Here it is the product. Okay. Now come to the next part. Say question number Roman 8 within bracket minus 5 m square np, and it is multiplied with minus 4 m n square p. So here you see the two negative signs are multiplied with each other, so the resultant sign will be positive. So 5 into 4 into m to the power 2 into m into n to the power 2 into p into p. Now 5 fours are 20. Now m to the power 2 into m, that means m to the power 2 plus 1. N to the power 1 into n to the power 2. Base is same, n to the power 1 plus 2. And here p to the power 1 into p to the power 1. So p to the power 1 plus 1. So 20 m to the power 3, n to the power 3, p to the power 2. Here it is the product. Come to the next question, question number 2. Question number 2, Roman 2. 5 into within bracket 2x, 5 into within bracket 2x minus 4. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to multiply each and individual term inside the bracket with 5. So 5 into 2x. Now negative sign is there. 5 into 4. So 5 to the 10x minus 5 4 the 20. So 10x minus 20 is the result. Come to the Roman 3. Minus 4 within bracket minus m minus 5. Okay. So here you have to multiply minus 4 with minus m. Give a bracket. That should be easy for you to understand. Okay. Now you have to multiply minus 4 with minus 5. So minus 4 multiplied with minus 5. Okay. Now I am not giving here the bracket. But if you want to give here the bracket, this is the correct one. But if you want to give the bracket, so what you have to do? give a positive sign, plus sign, and then minus 4 multiplied with minus 5. So minus 4 multiplied with minus 5, then plus, again minus 4 is multiplied with minus 5. Now two negative signs are multiplied with each other. So the result is, the sign is positive. So here 4m plus, here also minus 4 into minus 5, minus minus plus, 4 5s are 20. Now remove the bracket, 4m plus 20. Okay. Now let us consider the next one. You see this one, the next one, the last one, practically question number 5. It is here, it is a simplification. The question is x within bracket y minus z plus y within bracket z minus x plus z within bracket x minus y. So we are going to use the same rule, x into y, then if you give the plus sign here, then x into minus z plus y into z, give the plus sign, y into minus x plus z into x plus z into minus y. I am following the same rule. You may do it in the different way, but the answer should be the same. Now x into y, xy, plus x into minus z, minus xz, plus y into z, y into z, that is yz, plus y into minus x, then that is minus yx or minus xy. Both are correct. Plus here that should be z into x. I give here the positive sign, plus sign. Now z into x, the result is zx or xz. Both are correct. Plus z into minus y, minus zy or minus yz. Both are correct. Now remove the bracket, xy plus minus minus plus yz plus minus plus xz plus minus zy. Now arrange the like term. Xy minus yx means xy, minus xz plus xz plus yz minus zy means yz, the same. So plus xy minus xy cancelled out, minus xz plus xz cancelled out, minus yz plus yz cancelled out. So the answer is 0. So here it is, the simplification. So next day we will discuss about the next and the last chapter, exercise 14C, in the next class. Thank you.